Hello everyone, Kieran Swale here, Tourism Innovation Specialist at Southern Regional College in the Business Support Team. And this is just a quick welcome and overview of our up and coming Wednesday webcast series, which is starting on the 15th of November. And that coincides with Global Entrepreneurship Week. So these webcasts are going to be available on the SRC Business Support and Innovation YouTube channel. There will be a pre-record, and they will be then on the dates that we have listed here. They will be available on demand. The first one coming up then is I'm taking with my colleague Cathal McDonald, and really there what we're looking is this whole world of we're going to be mentioning AI, generative AI, and looking at the uses of Adobe Express. We've started to use this recently with a lot of our clients, and here you can see about different social media posts and video and different documents. But this whole area here of generative AI now is very, very topical and very applicable to a lot of businesses. So then, following on from that, I'm going to be taking a session on the 29th then on Introduction to ScreenPal, screen recording and other software. I'm using ScreenPal at the moment. And then my colleagues, Simon Kennedy and Caroline Chambers and myself, we've been away at, by the date of the 13th of December, we'll have been at 3 different events, and we're going to feed back to see what the lessons were learned. Then Cathal and I are doing a bit more with Adobe Express, looking at digital and web and how it can be used. Now, after Christmas, the rest of the business support team are going to be advising you on different areas of work that they are doing and some interesting thoughts that they have. First one, Rachel's going to share some lessons for insight into the process of making yogurt. That's food for thought. And then James and Ryan are going to talk about 3D print. And then Lily's going to talk about insight into sugar-reduced jams. Then later, James and Ryan are coming back on the 21st to the 2nd. Then introduction to 3D scanning. Myself and my colleague Simon Kennedy are going to be looking at introduction to Google Maps and Google Earth. And then Cathal and I are going to be sharing some of the lessons we've learned using the InstaFlow gimbal for creating content. And then my colleague Mark finishing off with lessons to be learned from using Big Cartel and linking it to an e-commerce platform. So this is a flavour of what we're doing over the webcasts. Please come in and download them and have a look at them. I'm sure you'll be able to share some of these lessons that we've talked about and share it with your students. Thank you very much.